Welcome back to Pro Education, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use the AI feature in Canva. The first step is to head over here and select the custom size that you want to use. So I'll use 1280 by 720 pixels. After you do that, just come and let's wait for the page to open. After the page opens, just head over to this section right here. As you can see, you have design, elements, text, brand, uploads. As you can see, you have that section. So just come and click on elements. After clicking on elements, when you just scroll down until you see the generate your own, as you can see under AI image generator, and then just come and click on generate your own. After clicking generate your own, you're only allowed to enter 5 words to describe whatever you want. So I can say students in a classroom, students in. Okay, sorry, let me make sure you click so that the cursor can start to appear so that it can enable you to type, all right? So just say students in a classroom singing, okay? Just like that. And after you're done, just come and click on enter. After clicking enter, you will see that the AI will start generating your image. And at the bottom, you will see this load bar. As you can see, you'll be able to see the progress of the AI. And there it is. This is our first image which has been generated. Okay. And when you are, okay, there is our second image which has been generated. If you want to add any image to your canvas, just come and click it once. Okay. When you click it once, it will appear right here. So these are our images. This is our first image. Okay. And this is our second image, as you can see. All right. Then this is our third image. Just left click on it once to add it. Left click once. And then it will be added to your canvas. And then you can just come and use it for whatever project you're doing. And that is how you easily and efficiently generate images using the Canvas AI feature. And when you're done, just come and click on share. And then come and choose download. Make sure it is set to PNG or JPEG for better quality of your images. And then just come and click on download, and your image will be successfully saved in your files. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure you subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.